Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you another do-it-yourself main ingredient in your milk tea or coffee shops, or even to make your iced coffee or iced tea drinks at home. This time I'm going to show you how to make salted caramel syrup. In the previous video I showed you how to make salted caramel sauce. Sauce is perfect for topping your drinks, topping your cakes and your ice cream. The syrup, on the other hand, is more fluid, and this is used to sweeten your drinks. So, if you're making caramel frappuccino, for example, you use the syrup to make the drink sweeter, and then you use the sauce to top or decorate the drink. So, for our salted caramel syrup, we need 1 cup of white sugar. Remember that this recipe can be multiplied as many times as you like. So if you'd like to make a bigger volume, then you could double or triple this recipe. So 1 cup of white sugar, 2 cups of plain water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and also, because this is salted caramel syrup, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. As always, first let's put 1 cup of our water into the saucepan, and then let's put our sugar, all the sugar. We just need to put 1 cup of the plain water, and again let's give it a little bit of a stir. Okay, and then we turn on the heat. Once the water starts to boil, turn the heat to medium. We are waiting for the sugar to dissolve without stirring the mixture. Remember, do not stir or it might cause your sugar to crystallize. As you can see, without touching or stirring the mixture, the sugar is completely dissolved. So don't touch it, just be patient, wait for the sugar to turn golden brown. So now I can see some spots there that are getting brown. You know, if you leave it like that, it burns. So you can use the rubber brush, dip it into the water, brush it along those sides. Now I can see that it is turning amber. You don't have to wait for a little bit longer for this. I think this is perfect for me now. I'm going to turn off the heat, and then at this point we are going to add our remaining water. Now, because the caramel is hot and this is cold, it is going to spatter, so you have to be very careful when you do this. Give it a stir. That is just the perfect color for your salted caramel. So make sure all the sugar is dissolved. As you pour in your remaining 1 cup of cold water, it might turn to crystallize, so you have to keep stirring it. And then that's your resulting salted caramel syrup. Beautiful, clear salted caramel syrup. So there you have it, a very simple process to make your salted caramel syrup. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to make our salted caramel frappuccino. This time we're going to make use of our salted caramel syrup and our salted caramel sauce in one drink. Until the next video, if you have any question, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.